I slept over 300 nights in my little guy Max. And honestly, my nights were miserable. Back pain, tossing and turning and staring at the ceiling at 3 a.m. Yep, not getting a good night's sleep can definitely ruin a camping trip fast. Can you relate to this? But then everything changed when I figured out these 3 RV upgrades. And I call this my sleep like a baby camper setup. The first 2 fixed our sleep, and the third one, it fixed the part that drove me crazy every single trip. So the first upgrade started with a fun, unexpected surprise. One morning I noticed that the bedding in my camper was damp, and my heart stopped because I thought, oh no, I don't want mold in my camper. If your RV mattress sits right on plywood, like mine does, condensation can build up underneath the mattress because it can't breathe. So I went down a total rabbit hole trying to figure out how to fix this. And that's when I found something called the Froli Sleep System. When I first saw it, I thought, this is either going to be genius or a total waste of money. So if you're unfamiliar, the Froli is a spring system that goes underneath your mattress. And this lifted my mattress up off the plywood so that air could circulate under my mattress. I was so happy that this fixed my moisture problem. It was such a huge relief. But what surprised me was just how much more comfortable our bed felt. The next morning after I installed my Froli system, I woke up thinking, did I actually sleep really good that night? I installed my Froli 7 years ago, and it's still my #1 upgrade ever. I worked with them to get you a 15% discount, and I put that discount code for you in the description below. After the Froli, I honestly believed our sleep was finally fixed, and I probably would have stopped right there. But Brooklyn Bedding contacted me and asked me if I'd test out one of their RV mattresses. And because our bed finally felt really good, I almost said no. But then when it showed up and I saw how much thicker it was than my mattress that I had, I was really excited to give it a try. And then the next morning, my hubby Tom said, did you sleep good? And I said, oh yeah. Before, I could feel some pressure in my hip, but that was all gone. Check this out. You've got to see the difference. This is the mattress that came with my camper, and it's about 3 inches thick. And this one is 6 inches of high density foam. It's their Dream Foam Essential Mattress, and it comes in a variety of sizes and heights. I'm not kidding when I say this mattress feels just as good, if not even better, than my mattress at home. Now, my husband and I, we sleep like babies and actually feel rested when we wake up. Hi. Instead of cranky because we didn't get a good night's sleep. The Froli gives you that perfect spring support from below, while this RV mattress gives you that luxury memory foam comfort on top. It's like having the best of both worlds. Brooklyn Bedding gave me a discount that I can share with you too, and I put it with the Froli discount in the video description below. But I still had one problem that I struggled with every trip. Every time I made my bed, I felt like I was doing an Olympic sport. Trying to get the mattress high enough so I could get the fitted sheet snug was so frustrating. Now, be honest, who else here has had that same struggle? I'm in my 60s and I don't need that kind of torture. So after 3 years of despising each and every time that I had to change my sheets, I got the QuickZip Sheets. And guys, this is pure genius. It comes with a top sheet and a bottom base. And the magic is all in this zipper. Let me show you. You put the base on just once, and then it stays in place, snug around your mattress. It stays there forever. Done. So now what we need to do is just zipper on the top sheet. Look at this. Now I can change my sheets in just 30 seconds instead of wrestling with that mattress. I can't tell you just how much I hated making my bed until I found these zipper sheets. And yes, I have a QuickZip Sheets discount code also, and I put that along with the others in the video description below. What do you think? Would zipper sheets make your life easier too? Oh, and if you want to check out just how easy it was to install the Froli Sleep System, video right here, I show you step by step how I did it. I love my Froli, and I think you're going to love it too.